Hello everybody. Today I wish to tell you about transfer petition in Supreme Court of India and why transfer petitions are filed in Supreme Court of India. Transfer petitions are generally filed for transfer of cases, both matrimonial and also criminal, from state to state. Why? Because Supreme Court has got the only jurisdiction for transferring a case from one state to another state. It may be a district court or a subordinate court or a magistrate court or a high court. If a matter has to be transferred from one district of one particular court of one particular state to another court of a different state, the jurisdiction lies only with Honorable Supreme Court of India. And the rules and regulations were laid down in the year 2013. According to these rules and regulations, rule number 39, 40 and 41 deals with transfer of cases. And all the cases, including the criminal as well as matrimonial cases, can be transferred from one state to another state through Supreme Court of India. And while transferring the criminal cases, we deal with CRPC 406. And coming to other transfer cases, as I explained you, it is rule number 39, 40 and 41. And now, everybody has got an assumption that the cases of female are heard in Honorable Supreme Court of India and the complete favorism is towards the female. No. This is an absolute wrong presumption by everyone. And there are so many advocates also who guide in the same manner. Like court has got sympathy towards female and all this. But this is absolutely wrong. If your grounds are perfect and your drafting is perfect and your reasons are concrete to stop a transfer or to get a transfer, the court has got all the rights to transfer or to detain, in the sense, dismiss your case. In the sense, there is no favorism to any gender in Honorable Supreme Court of India. This is first point. And second point is, in case if you seek in transfer, first thing is, it should be between the states. For example, if a husband have filed a divorce petition in Bangalore and the wife stays in Hyderabad, and if that particular, maybe for any reason, if the wife wants that particular petition to be transferred to Hyderabad, maybe she cannot travel or she has got kids or she has not got financial status to travel, whatever may be the reason, then the Honorable Supreme Court of India has got all the rights to transfer the case from Bangalore to Hyderabad. And in the same way, if the court feels that the reason given by the wife is not genuine and the case need not be transferred from Bangalore to Hyderabad, the court has got all the rights to detain the case where it is. In the sense, it has got all the rights to stop the case and it has got all the rights to proceed the case from where it exists. And in addition to this, so Supreme Court can transfer any criminal case as per section 406 of CRPC. And Supreme Court has got the jurisdiction to fix a common place which is safe for both the parties for adjudication of the matters. Even this can be decided by the Supreme Court. It is not preferably that if a petition is launched that the transfer needs to be transferred to one particular state, that is Bangalore, that is Karnataka or Madhya Pradesh or whatever. In case if the court feels that the argument from both the sides are genuine and they can fix a common place for adjudication, these kind of cases are mostly fixed up with matrimonial cases. So, first you have to go for a transfer petition, file the transfer petition, and there will be a hearing for transfer petition. And in case if you need a stay on the existing case, you can also apply for a stay, and if the court feels that yes, the matter should be stayed, it would be stayed, and no proceedings will go further in case if the matter is being stayed in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So, this is all about transfer cases. There is no need to worry that courts are favorable to female or to one particular gender. Court has got all the privileges for both male and female, and court considers everybody as citizens of this country. So no partialities, no favorisms to anyone in Honorable Supreme Court of India and in Indian judiciary. Thank you.